Hello everyone, this side Priya, and first of all I would like to thank you so much for visiting my health YouTube channels. I have been thinking for a long time to open this channel, but unfortunately I couldn't able to do this. But finally I am here to introduce my health YouTube channels. If you are one of them that if you have to know all health regarding informations within a very short time, then the correct channel, then yes, this is the correct channel for you. I would like to give you all the health regarding informations which is very important for your health. Guys, already we become know that how much health is important. So without wasting your time, please subscribe my channels and press the bell icon as for update all the health regarding informations within very short time. In my today's first video, I am going to share the on important informations. We already know about that. That is, we know that we are still suffering. Not right now. Already, maximum we are relieved from the COVID-19 virus. But in bad news that the another family member of the COVID-19 has enriched and disturbed again. So as per we know already, we heard about it that Omicron has various mutations and various variants. So if the virus has enriched our body, the antibody couldn't able to recognize that. It's really very common because the antibody has created only for kill the COVID-19 virus.
A new study by researchers at the University of Oxford has found that a booster dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine was able to significantly increase the levels of neutralizing antibodies against the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, offering hope that the vaccine could offer some protections against the first spreading variant. Two vaccines can be used for the emergency purpose to kill the Omicron virus as per India's drug regulator Merck drug with oral antiviral pill, that is Corbevax, Covovax and Molnupiravir. This Omicron has started replacing Delta variant in the country in terms of the number of COVID-19 cases, and 80% of the travelers who tested positive have this new variant, official sources informations on Friday. However, it had of all the detected cases were mildly symptomatic and the rest of were asymptomatic. But maybe it assumes the symptoms of the Omicron, that is mainly sore throat, body pain and headache. But there is no any like this loss of taste or loss of smell like the COVID-19 virus as per World Health Organizations. Guys, a total of 1,270 Omicron cases have been detected already across 23 states and US so far, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. So guys, we are understanding that how fast is it spreading. If it continues to spread like this, then definitely don't know that where to go and stand. And one more very important thing, guys, definitely I would like to remember with you, that is oxygen. Guys, we know that we remember the day where patients were running like madness, lack of sufficient oxygen in any hospital, there are no sufficient bed in hospital. So oxygen is a gas that your body needs to work properly. Your cells needs oxygen to make energy. Your lungs absorb oxygen from the air you breathe. So definitely oxygen is one of the most important. So definitely you have to maintain your COVID-19 protocols. You have to wear mask properly, you have to use sanitizer, but when you alone in any bus or in any street, then definitely you have to must open your mask and inhale the oxygen from beautiful nature. You have to make friendship with nature. Next video we will discuss that what kind of food to eat to save from Omicron, as we don't know that when we'll get the vaccine again. So please stay tuned. Want to listen in Hindi, then definitely comment me inform me, then definitely I will make the video. Thank you so much guys to stay with the video for so long time. Stay healthy.